alam ko medyo controversial tong part na to, Makoy.
Yeah.
And naging talagang usapin ng mga nakaraan yung about sa okay lang.
Yeah, ako naman.
Sa queerbaiting. So, ngayon na naging maraming naging aware sa usapin na to. Anong masasabi mo ngayon?
Maganda na napag-usapan siya at maganda rin na nagkaroon ng diskurso about it. I think yung naging statement naman namin nun sa podcast, it's really more of based on what we see and what we also see in the industry as a whole. So for us lang, it's just our statement, it's just our opinion, pero at least nagkaroon ng dialogue and nagkaroon din ng discourse online na ito yung realities na experience ng both sides. So I think more than syempre more than the scale of the discussion, ang pinaka-important naman dito is meron ding naging open, di ba?
This coming Pride Month, baka yung mga tinamaan doon sa usapin na yun is maging visible at baka magkaroon sila ng thinking na patunayan natin na hindi tayo yung sinasabi nila. Anong masasabi mo if ever na maging visible sila this Pride Month?
Kung maging visible sila, that's good, and they are very welcome, and we are very happy na magsusuporta sila, and we are looking forward na marinig din at makita sila na hindi lang hanggang online lahat, na makikita rin sila in person. So yeah.
Thank you so much, Makoy.